This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your pre-installed apps on your Android phone. So I have a Samsung phone. With this phone, it makes it a little bit easier, but I'll show you a way with your other phones as well. We can just go to Settings, and then I can scroll in down. And I have this option right here. It says Hide Apps on Home Screen and App Screen. I can just tap this, and I can go to one of the apps in here. I had Google Chrome on here a minute ago, but then I disabled it. But let's go to one of these pre-installed applications on my phone. So there's Gallery, for example, but let's just go to Google TV. I don't think I'll ever use that. So let's go to Done. Now this is going to hide it from my Google folder. It's completely removed from here. It's not going to show up on my home screen, and it's not going to show up under this app list right here. So that's one of the pre-installed apps on my Samsung phone that I don't need. But we can also go up to the top right and go to Settings, and scroll on down, and go to Apps. So let's go to Apps wherever this is located. Here it is. And then we can go down. So one of the apps that I did this to was Google Chrome. You can see it's disabled. That's why it did not show up anywhere on my phone. So you can just go to the app right here, and then you can go to Enable, and then I have the option to disable it right here. Now it won't remove it from this apps list, but it will remove it from the other sections of your phone. So you can see I can re-enable it at any point in time I want it, but I can do the same thing for a Google TV that I was messing around with before. So I can find Google TV right here. This one came pre-installed. Actually, it looks like I have the option just to straight up uninstall it. So maybe it didn't come installed on my phone. So if you locate an app that came installed on your phone, just disable it and it will disappear from your phone. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.